the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 24 from verse 36 to verse 53. Jesus show himself to him follower them. Same time them a chat about all of this, Jesus himself turn up with them and say, peace. Him follower them frightened cause them think them a see one dopey. Jesus said to them say, what make you no frighten? What make you not believe? Look pa me hand and foot them. And me, touch me and see. Dopey no have skin and bone like me. After Jesus said this, him show them him hand and him foot them. Them glad so till them couldn't believe what them a see. So him ask them say, when they have nothing for eat. Them give him piece of roast fish. And Jesus take it and yam it in front of them. Jesus tell them say, when me did them amongst you know, me tell you about all of them sitting here. Me tell you say everything where right about me in a Moses law, where the prophet them say, and where in the Psalms too, did have to come true. Then Jesus open up their mind and make them understand where Gad Wod say. Jesus tell them say, this hour right down, Christ a go suffer, him a go dead and come back after 3 days. And in a me name, when if you preach and tell the people them we are not Jew, if you turn to God and get pardon for the wrong with them do. Start right here so in Jerusalem. You must tell people about everything what happen. And look, me a send you know where my father promised forgive you know. But turn in the city till you no get power from heaven. Jesus get take up in heaven. Jesus lead them go to Bethany. Him lift up him hand and bless them. Same time Jesus a bless them, him get take up in heaven and him left them. After the follower them worship Jesus, them go back to Jerusalem happy so till, and them ever their God house a praise him. And Gad Wod Dis, thank God